Hi, Guy. Good morning to you. So, this morning I'm going to talk about a Christian belief. After reading a lot and following YouTube a lot, then I am qualified to talk on a Christian belief. So, the fundamental belief is a Christian love Jesus. So, and we have no doubt that a Christian love Jesus. But what we have in doubt or what we know, Jesus didn't love or does not love the Christian. That's the fact. Why? Okay, because the Christian had been saying that Jesus was Son of God. So, but that dislike of Jesus to the Christian is not in the Canonical Bible. You will see not in the Canonical Bible that Jesus disliked or didn't approve the Christian. But if you look at other gospel, like Gospel of Barnabas, you see that time and again you come across how Jesus hate people who call him Son of God. So, okay, leave that aside first. So, Christian love Jesus, but Jesus had not shown love to the Christian. Okay, you got it. So, why Christian love Jesus? Because Jesus saved them, saved the Christian from punishment by Jesus wiping off their sin. So, guy, Jesus never thought of this, never taught, meaning teach or taught of this doctrine. So this doctrine come from other people, not Jesus, but Christian like to believe it. They will hang on to it and they love Jesus for it. For the reason why the Christian love Jesus, because Jesus saved them from punishment in the next world by sacrificing himself in the cross. Then it was considered as a sacrifice to wipe off the sin of the Christian. So the condition that Jesus, wife of the saint, is you have to believe as well Jesus is Son of God. So a Hindu will not be wife, saint will not be wife of by Jesus because a Hindu person would not believe Jesus is Son of God. So the Muslim also not in the category because the Muslim don't believe Jesus is Son of God. Muslim believe Jesus is only a prophet of God and he telling message of God on the people. Okay, guy. What else? What is the evidence that the Christian love Jesus? Recently, I noticed in a YouTube the Christian build statue of Jesus, a big statue, a tall statue, maybe as tall as the Statue of Liberty in US. But this statue of Jesus was built on a hill. So they follow the idea seen in Brazil, where there is a Jesus statue built on a hill. So they do it as well in that country where the majority is Muslim. So what is the Muslim reaction? Well, Muslim just maybe it's their problem. They don't bother. It's because the country practice freedom of belief. So if they believe Jesus is Son of God, so let it be. It's their belief. They want to build a statue of Jesus. Let it be. It's their belief. So tolerance in so the Muslim are tolerant with the belief of others. So I don't expect what we call a position from the Muslim that Christian want to build statue of Jesus is their problem. It's their money. Put it that way. But you see the country where they build a big statue of Jesus, Brazil. Where else? Okay, this country I just mentioned, it was just completed. So that is the evidence why Christian love Jesus and they build a big tall statue because of the love of Jesus. They build a big statue. But in Islam, we are not allowed to build statue of Prophet Muhammad. There was a warning that even picture not allowed and let alone statue not allowed. But Christianity, they is no restriction. But what I know, Jesus don't allow idolatry. He said idolatry is a big sin. So, so actually Jesus don't allow it as well, but it's not clear. It's not in the canonical Bible. He didn't allow it. It's in other gospel. He said no to idolatry. So building this statue is like idolatry. It's made of stone. It cannot do harm. It cannot talk. It cannot move. Oh, it is an idol. Just like Abraham father built idol. So it's the same as they build an idol of Jesus. But I don't see on the idol Jesus carrying a cross. So meaning that to prove that Jesus was a Muslim. He was not a Christian. You see on the statue, he didn't carry a cross. But had they built a statue of Pope, maybe they will also build a statue of Pope with cross. He hang around his hip. Okay, guy. So the statue had no cross. So I don't know at the bottom down there they put a small cross. But Jesus statue on that, I don't know, Jesus statue in Brazil where he hang a cross on the necklace. But this one I seen statue with no cross. So a proof that Jesus had not been seen carrying cross. And he would not do it because he's a Muslim. Jesus, a Christian may deny he's a Muslim, but Muslim would say that Jesus is a Muslim. So if a Christian asks for a proof, then simply we say, look at your statue. Jesus had not carried a cross. Or maybe, I don't know what they will do, just to convince the Muslim that Jesus was a Christian. But then, another proof, Jesus was circumcised. Jesus prayed with his head on the ground. And what else? Jesus pray routine prayer. What else? Jesus was fasting. Okay, Christian also can do fasting. Jesus was fasting. And Jesus believed only in one God. No other God, but one God. What else is the evidence that Jesus is a Muslim? in the Quran, Jesus' name mentioned 25 times. So, for someone named to be mentioned 25 times, he must be a Muslim. So that's also another proof that Jesus is a Muslim. So, what I have told you, a Christian love Jesus, for Jesus saved them from the punishment in the next world. That's what they believe. But Jesus had never thought of it, never teach people of that doctrine. So that doctrine come from somebody else, namely Paul. Okay, so I was describing what is a Christian. So they love Jesus. They believe that salvation will be given to them from Jesus as the Son of God sacrificed on the cross. So what else? Okay, and they believe as well the nun and the priest should not get married because Jesus had not been married, but that is now disputed because Mary Magdalene was so close with Jesus, but now many believe that Mary Magdalene was the wife of Jesus. And if you Google Jesus married to Mary Magdalene, they have one baby girl named Sarah. Okay, another of their belief, especially Catholic, Mary had not been married to anyone when Jesus was born. Mary was a virgin, that is no problem. Muslims also believe that when Jesus was born, Mary was a virgin. Then, after Jesus was born, Mary continued to be virgin until she died, and Muslims had problem with that. And historian also have problem with that. Mary married to Joseph. The evidence is Mary migrated to Egypt to escape from Herod. To escape, to make sure Jesus was safe, not killed by Herod. So Mary migrated to Egypt. So who accompanied her migrated to Egypt must be a man. Must be a man. So must be a husband. So must be this person called Joseph. Then Mary with husband and Jesus went to Egypt to escape. Herod. So she must have been married already and had husband to enable her to migrate to Egypt. Unimaginable that she went with Jesus only to Egypt and stay there, stay in Egypt and come back to Jerusalem. She and Jesus only is not credible. So what's wrong with Mary getting married? He is not interested in this giving salvation. He had not in her mind of this salvation idea. So what stopped her from getting married? Because it's normal culture of Jew when reaching age of 18 and above, a woman should be married, should have a husband. It's a normal thing. And the pious family is very much concerned that their daughter or son get married as soon as they are capable to get married economically and physically. They are capable to get married. Of course, Mary, mother of Jesus, was a beautiful woman, so no problem of her getting a husband. In fact, he actually asked of Joseph whether she can take him as a husband. Joseph said yes, no problem. So they were married. Okay, guy. So I was talking about what is a Christian. Love of Jesus, believe in the salvation. They also believe that Jesus died on the cross. But the Muslim disputed that because Jesus had prayed to God to save him from being killed by his enemy. So Jesus' prayer was answered. It cannot be possibly that he be killed by his enemy. So Muslim not believe that Jesus died on the cross, but a Christian believe that okay, that's their problem. The Christian believe that Jesus died on the cross, and also they believe that Jesus ascended to heaven, but they believe Jesus ascended to heaven in a resurrected body. But then the Muslim also believe Jesus ascended to heaven, but in full body, because Muslims don't believe that Jesus had died, and so it was his full body that he ascended to heaven. witnessed by his disciple, his wife, his mother, witnessed that he ascended to heaven. Or what else a Christian believe? A Christian also believe that he must be good with his neighbors. Okay, that's fine, no problem with it. Muslim also need to be good with his own neighbors. It's good. We have no problem with it. What else? Okay, I think I've just explained to you the fundamental of being what a Christian is, what their belief is. I think that's all, guys. Thank you very much for being with me.